I'm here with DeJour Russell of Jamaica, just won his semi-final in the 110 hurdles in the World Juniors. Massive PB 13:20. How do you feel about your performance?
Well, I'm feeling very elated right now about my performance. Knowing I don't have a good start and I still come back to finish first, I just have to give God thanks.
Now, your PB coming into this race was 13:55. Did you know you had it in you to go this fast?
Yes, I know I had it in me. Just training, I was training, so I couldn't expect nothing but less.
Now, how did you do in the round, in the heats? Did you win your race? What did you run?
No, I didn't win my race. I underestimated my opponents, but I came better, bigger and better.
Now, can you tell us what has been your best career highlight to date before coming to the Worlds? The Champs or the Carifta Games? What has been the most? What's been the biggest performance for you until this?
Well, I would say the biggest performance for me was Champs. Knowing I have a huge crowd, and to perform there is breathtaking.
Now, do you think you can beat the Americans in the final? I see that you beat one of them in the semis just now.
Trust me, just when the finals come on, you'll see what happens. Don't like to talk about that.
All the best. Good luck for the final.
Thank you.